Okay, so Unit 8, we are going to be talking about polynomials. And polynomials are graphs that have any degree or exponent value. So to talk about that, so the degree of a polynomial is represented by the largest exponent. So far, all that we've had are the highest exponent that we've had are quadratics with an x squared. So these will have something bigger like cubes or to the fourth, and so on and so forth. Then the leading coefficient is the number of the term with the largest exponent. If the polynomial is written correctly, this should be the first number that is seen in your polynomial. So remember, when you're writing a polynomial, it should go in order from biggest to smallest in exponent value. So this number is the number that's in front. So say if we were to have this negative 2x cubed minus x squared plus 7x minus 4. So your leading coefficient is, so our largest exponent is the x cubed, so it's the number in front, which would be this one right here. So all polynomials are either even or odd polynomials, and they're also either positive or negative polynomial. So an even polynomial, the degree is an even number. So the degree is your exponent. So this one has a degree of 3, so that would be an odd polynomial. So the degree is odd. Then a positive polynomial, so is the leading coefficient is positive, and a negative polynomial, the leading coefficient is negative. So in this one here, this would be a negative polynomial, and it's odd because of the exponent value. Okay. Okay, so then, and we have a whole section on even and odd stuff, so we'll go more into detail on that once we get to those. And then we also have one that talks about the end behavior. So the end behavior is the behavior of the graph as x approaches positive infinity So that's the symbol for that. It's like a sideways 8 or negative infinity. Okay. Okay, so then when you are just given a graph and you're not given the equation, you're going to have to find the degree of it a different way. So to find the degree when looking at a graph, the degree can be found by counting the number of times the graph changes direction. So going from like up to down and back up again, so that'd be 1. So how many times it changes would be 1, 2, 3. So that'd be a 3, a degree of 3. And then zeros are where the graph crosses the x-axis. The number of zeros should match the degree. And the zeros are actually what you were just finding when you were factoring and solving. Those were actually the zeros that you were finding. So you've actually kind of already done that. Okay, so let me know if you have any questions. But that was your introduction video. Okay, have a good day.